Assalamualaikum and hi. Today I would like to compare two products, which is Samsung Galaxy Note 3 and Apple iPhone 5s. Okay, I will start with function. As we all know, our daily life really need a smartphone. Nobody that didn't have or own a smartphone would be very hard for them to life. I mean, smartphone really important to us. We can use it as our medium to communicate with others, such as our friends, family, and maybe teacher or lecturer. Next, I will explain about the feature of this Samsung Galaxy Note 3 and Apple iPhone 5s. I will start with the wait okay. I will start with size. The size of the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 is 4.7 inch, where the Apple iPhone 5s is 4 inch. So, as we can see by its physical size, the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 is bigger than the Apple iPhone 5s. So, it it depends on the customer which size they prefer. Next, the weight. The weight of Samsung Galaxy Note 3 is 168 gram, which is slightly weighter than this Apple iPhone 5s, which is lighter. Next, the operating system, the OS. Actually, Samsung Galaxy Note 3 use Android. The current version of this Android is 5.0, which is called Lollipop. The latest version is 6.0, which is Marshmallow, but the Note 3 didn't receive the update yet. Where the Apple iPhone 5s use iOS 9.2, which is currently the latest OS. Next, I will explain about the SIM card. The Samsung Galaxy Note 3 use micro SIM. Most of the smartphone in the world now currently use micro SIM, but Apple use nano SIM, which is many other smartphone company start using this. Next, I will tell about the camera. Samsung Galaxy Note 3 primary camera is 13 megapixel. 13 megapixel is kinda good. Yes, Samsung product is very good. The Apple iPhone 5s only have 8 megapixel, which is poor quality. Sorry. The primary camera for Galaxy Note 3 is 13 megapixel, and Apple iPhone 5s is 8 megapixel. But if we see the quality when we using the camera, the Apple iPhone 5s have a better quality of picture. I don't know why, but the reality is Samsung Galaxy Note 3 have the higher megapixel. The secondary camera Galaxy Note 3 have 2 megapixel, and Apple iPhone 5s have 1.2 megapixel. Next, I will tell about the strength and weakness of these two products. The weakness of Samsung Galaxy Note 3 is, as we can see it physically, Samsung Galaxy Note 3 is much bigger than Apple iPhone 5s, where we will face a little problem when we carrying it or keeping it in our pocket. Where Apple iPhone 5s is smaller than Samsung Galaxy Note 3, which we can easily carry it. We can easily use it, holding it, and we can easily put it in our pocket. That is one of the weakness of the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. but it actually depends on the customer to choose which size they prefer.